Want darker, lifted lashes that last for weeks? Without mascara? First things first, clean lashes are a must. We remove all makeup, oils, and residue so the products work evenly and safely. The shield is placed on the eyelid, and lashes are gently lifted and secured upward, one by one. It processes for a few minutes, depending on lash thickness. Timing is key here. Too little or too long can affect the result. Think of this as setting the curl. It's what makes the lift last. Next comes the tint. This darkens the lashes, giving that mascara effect without daily makeup. The tint sits for just a few minutes. Then it's carefully removed. Now we remove all products and shields and brush through the lashes. And there it is. Longer looking, lifted, darker lashes instantly. The results last about 6 to 8 weeks, growing out naturally with your lashes.